Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a soft chocolate bar and Truffles business factory and, more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a soft chocolate bar and Truffles business. When starting a soft chocolate bar and Truffles business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 120 kilograms of soft chocolate bar and Truffles per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, it's wise to begin with a capacity of 120 kilograms per day for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 360 kilograms per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 240 kilograms per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully utilizing the 240 kilograms per day capacity, and then consider upgrading to 360 kilograms per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a soft chocolate bar and Truffles medium-sized business with a factory capacity of 120 kgs per day, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing, you will need a tempering or melting machine. A chocolate melting machine is a device used to melt chocolate evenly and maintain it at a controlled temperature. It helps prevent the chocolate from burning, ensuring it's ready for further processing like molding. Aim for a capacity of 50 kgs per hour machine costing around 50,000 rupees. Then you will need a chocolate molding machine. This machine pours tempered chocolate into molds to create bars, truffles, or other shapes. This machine costs around 90,000 rupees. Then you will need molds tools used to shape molten chocolate into specific shapes as it cools and hardens. These chocolate molds come in different shapes and materials such as plastic or silicone. Molds tools cost around 1 lakh rupees. Then you will need a cooling tunnel machine which cools the molded chocolate slowly and uniformly with adjustable thickness settings. Ideally, the capacity varies based on length and cooling capacity, and the machine costs around 3 lakh rupees. Additionally, you should have unrobing machines used to coat confectionaries, such as nuts or biscuits, with a layer of chocolate. The capacity of should be 100 kgs per hour costing around 1,50,000 rupees. Then a packing machine is required for packaging of soft chocolate bar and Truffles. It automates, wraps and packages the finished chocolate products. This machine will do packaging of 500 packets per hour, and the machine costs around 3,30,000 rupees. This video, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best in your business journey.